how to create a website for free on your phone. So as you can see, I built this website right on my phone. This is the menu. Let me tap on it for you to see, and I have all the menus of a professional website. Okay, so I'm simply going to select the blog for you to see by tapping on it, and as you can see, I have my professional website with a complete blog. Okay, and I built it right on my phone. So let me show you how you can also do the exact same thing. Simply locate Chrome on your phone and then come and tap on it. So from Google search, simply come to where you have the search and then come and search for Google Studio just like this and select it. When it comes, simply come and then tap on the official site of Google Studio. It's going to bring you right here to the Google Studio platform. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where you have these three bars and come and tap on it. When you tap on it, you are going to see that this is going to show up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build, and that it you're going to see that I have my apps here. Come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, all the apps that you have built right inside Google Studio is going to show up just like this. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply locate the ZipW WordPress builder, ZipWP WordPress builder. If you don't have it, I have a video in the video description. Click on it. It's going to show exactly how to build this. Okay, and after that, come and tap on escape, and it is going to open it just like this. So as you can see, I've successfully opened the WordPress builder. Come here to where you have the preview and then come and tap on it to show it. So as you can see, it is right here. Okay, and one thing is that I have to come and then connect it. To see that handshake pending, simply come in and come and click on connect to ZipWP, okay, by simply tapping on it. So when you tap on it, it is going to show for you to log in first. So you have to first log into your account by tapping on login with Google in one click. They are going to send you a code inside your inbox. Okay, just check your email, copy the code and come and paste it right here. Come and tap on verify and continue. It's going to log you right here to the website. Okay, that is the ZipWP website. So what you have to do is simply go back to Google Studio. So simply come here to where you have the tab and come and tap on it. Over here, simply come and then tap on Google Studio tab, and it's going to bring you right here to Google Studio. So after you have successfully logged in, come and then tap on connect to ZipWP. It's going to show just like this. Okay, so now you can connect Google Studio to ZipWP, and that is the WordPress website builder. Make sure that all this is checked. Leave the delete side on check, and then simply come and then tap on authorize. Okay, so when you tap on it, that is it. It's going to connect Google Studio to ZipWP. And as you can see, it has successfully connected. Okay, and from the top, you're going to see that the MCP handshake was successful. Now we have access to build our WordPress website. So when you scroll down, simply come here to where it says explore ZipWP designs. You see that we have browse templates right here. Simply come in and tap on browse templates. So when you tap on it over here, you have access to so many templates. Okay, among them is this one, and as you can see, it is completely free to use this template. Okay, you can simply come in and tap on the preview template, and you see that this is a professional website. You can simply scroll through and then go through, and when you are okay with it, you can simply select this one and use it to build your website. It is WordPress website. Okay, you can come and tap on the back arrow. You can simply go ahead and then scroll through and select any of them. We also have a premium template as well. Okay, so you can come in and tap on the preview. So this is a premium template. You see we have the menu here. When you tap on it, it comes with the professional menu templates just like this. So as you can see, I have the home. Let me tap on the home, and this is the home page. Okay, so I can scroll through, look at it, and if it is the one that you prefer, you can simply select it. So let's go back by tapping on the back arrow, and you can simply scroll through. You also have the option to come and then select next. Okay, so when you tap on next, it will load a different template for you. Okay, that you can go through and then select it. So I'm going to select one to build my website. So I'm going to select this one. As you can see, it is free. All that you have to do is simply come in and tap on select template, and after tapping it, it's going to be selected just like this. All that you have to do is simply scroll down, and as you can see over here, you have to come and then fill in your details. Okay, so to fill in the details, simply come here to where you have the business name. Come and put in the business name of your website, and then we have the category. Come and then type in the category, and then we have the site title. Come and then type in the site title, the address to put it in the language, select it. Okay, the physical address, It is not compulsory. Anywhere we don't have asterisk, you can leave it like that. Okay, so the subdomain, you can leave it. They are going to select one for you. Okay, and over here, the description, that is the business description. You have to write something about your business, and then the image keywords, so you can write it or leave it at it is. Simply come in and tap on approve design. Okay, so over here, you have to come here, and that is review and approve. Okay, so you can look at the things that you have just typed in. Okay, and it is free, as you can see. Simply scroll and then come here to where you have this box, and then simply come in and check the box, tap it to check it, and that is it. Now what you have to do now is simply come here and then come and then write this, that is create website, all in caps, just like this. Okay, just as it is, just type it right inside it, just like this. And after that, simply scroll down and come here, then come here and tap on create my WordPress website. So as I told you, it is a WordPress website. Okay, after that, it is going to bring you to the last stage, and that is it is going to build your website for you. So simply scroll down, and from here, as you can see, the WordPress website has been built successfully and it is completed. You can scroll down, and from here you can simply visit your website. So to visit it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says visit site and come and tap on it once, and that is it. We are here inside our build website. Okay, so we have the menu here. I can come in and tap on the it, and as you can see, it comes along with a professional menu. Everything is right here. I can come in and select the blog. So when I tap on it, as you can see, my blogs posts are showing right here. I can scroll down and I can read the blog post as well by simply tapping on read post, and as you can see, it has opened the complete blog post and it is looking perfectly fine. So we have successfully built our WordPress website using just our phone. So we can simply tap on the menu again, and then we can simply go back to the home page by tapping on it. So now to see your website, okay, where are you going to get this? Let me show you where you can always log in into your WordPress website. So all that you have to do is simply come to the top here and then come and tap on this plus icon. So Google is going to show up, and then from Google says come and search for ZipWP just like this and select it. Okay, and come and select the first one, that is ZipWP. By tapping on it, it's going to open the official page of ZipWP just like this. That is the WordPress website builder. Simply come here to the menu, tap on it. Okay, it's going to open just like this, and come and tap on the pricing. Okay, you are not going to pay any money, it is free. Scroll down to the bottom to where we have this one. Okay, where you have the get started, come and then tap on it, and automatically it is going to log you right to your ZipWP dashboard just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on this three bars. It is going to open all these just like this, and simply come here to where we have the sandbox site and come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to open by simply coming and tap on this close, and it is going to open the website that we have just built. Okay, so as you can see, this is the website. You can simply scroll to the left and then see everything about it. Okay, so to log into the website, so as you can see, mine is permanent. Okay, this permanent is hosted permanently because I'm using the pro, so you can go with the pro and you can host it permanently. So you can simply log in and then type in the WordPress logo, and it's going to bring you right here to WordPress. Okay, and all that you have to do to visit the website is to simply come to the top here where you have the home. Simply come and then tap on it. You are going to see that you have visit sites here. Simply tap on visit sites, and that is it. It will bring you right here to your website. Okay, and as you can see, everything is looking perfectly fine, and it is awesomely built using just our phone. You can edit it using these editing tools. You can change anything right here. Okay, so this is actually how to build your website using just your phone. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.